Since 1999, Priority Communication Systems has been the silent backbone of Canada's most vital communities. From advanced healthcare infrastructure to secure business networks, our 25 years of integration expertise is your ultimate advantage. AV and digital signage solutions support communication and awareness. Disconnected AV systems limit effectiveness during emergencies. Priority Communication Systems integrates AV, PA, and digital signage with communication and notification platforms. Integrated AV delivers clear messaging and supports rapid response. AV solutions are used across education, healthcare, commercial, and industrial environments. Learn more about our audio, video, AV, and PA public address systems at PriorityLimited.com.